Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Nengi goes mad after seeing Ozo peg Dorathy.
Because she saw you peg Dora or something like that. That's what she told me. There's no but.
Dora is my friend.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't. She's jealous. Don't you understand? Whether Dora is your friend or not, the fact that she's jealous means she cares, which means she likes you.
The ozone ship is suffering a great setback after Nengi saw Ozo peg his bestie Dorathy. According to V, who reported the issue to Ozo, she saw him peg Dorathy, something she would prefer being done to her only, but now it seems she would have to share pegs. Ozo chipped in saying Dorathy is his friend, which V disregarded it. To her, Nengi means so much more to him and must understand that she is jealous and pissed from what she witnessed, and when a woman is pissed, it means she cares. She added that Nengi has told her she finds him lovable, so he should give her time because she's scared. V said, Nengi saw you peg Dora. That's what she told me. She's jealous. The fact that she's jealous means she cares. She likes you. She said you're lovable. Give her time. She's scared. When a woman is jealous, they have an affection towards you. So after V said all this, Ozo found himself apologizing for his actions after Nengi saw him peg Dorathy. Shortly after they returned to their head of house lounge, Ozo was spotted apologizing to Nengi for his actions last night. From the video, he could be heard saying he's sorry for his actions and that pecking Dorathy is something he has been doing since the second week of their stay in the house. He acknowledged her saying she's one of the most important people in his life and she means so much to him. In Ozo's words, he said, "You're one of the most important people in my life. It means so much to me. I haven't felt this way about someone in the longest time. I don't know how to stay mad at you. I know I have done something wrong." So guys, this was what happened between Ozo and Nengi. They were able to settle their differences before they slept. I hope Nengi forget about all this and see through Ozo's heart because the guy truly loves her. Okay guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please let me know in the comment section below.